Hey guys, come check out this Rockwood 8339 front kitchen with me. Hey guys, Mike here from Lakeside RV Sales. Today we're in the 8339 front kitchen floor plan by Rockwood Signature. As you can see, this is a very spacious travel trailer. Has everything you need. Has a theater seat option with also a fold-out jackknife behind me. You still have your kitchen countertop as well as a bar, little island bar right in the middle. You still have all your appliances and a fireplace, which is nice. Full residential size appliances, convection oven, stove and range, and you also have your big 12-volt refrigerator. Here's the front kitchen, TV. And as we're walking to the back, you'll pass this big old shower and bathroom, all in one central location. And then the private master. This thing does have 2 TVs and washer dryer prep with the big wardrobe. As you can see, again, here's the bedroom and back up front. All right, guys, Mike from Lakeside RV. Give us a call at 864-231-7258 for the best deal.